Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I just want to film a quick video sharing with you guys how much money I made from the same course after selling it on 3 different platforms, which are Udemy, Skillshare, and SkillSuccess. If you're thinking about creating an online course and selling it online on platforms that are similar to the ones that I just mentioned, and wondering what is the best platform for you and where you can potentially make the most money, please make sure to continue watching this video. So I filmed multiple videos about creating online courses and different platforms, but in case you're new to my channel, I just wanted to give you a very quick background of my course because again, that does influence how well your course performs and how much money it makes. So very quickly, my course was a mini course, about 40 minutes, and what I'm teaching in my course is I'm teaching people how to perform better on job interviews. So I teach interview skills. In case you didn't know, I have a background in recruiting. I've been recruiting for some of the biggest names in technology for half a decade now, and I'm also a career coach specifically in the design industry. So I feel like with my background, it just made sense to create a course about job interviews. So it's been a little over a year since I first launched my course, so let's see how much I ended up making off of each platform. Okay guys, so we're going to start with the most popular platform, which is Udemy. And again, I've filmed plenty of content about Udemy before if you want to check out some of my previous videos. But just as a reminder, I created my Udemy course over a year ago, and I purposely chosen not to do much of the promotion activity just because I really wanted to see how the course will perform organically. And as you can see, so far I've made $287.53 off of this one course. You probably see this huge number of enrollments, so 400 enrollments, but again, as a reminder, I did make my course free for the first week, which I did get a ton of enrollments that first week, so it's not like, 428 people paid only this much money because that would be too low, but a lot of these people did enroll my course for free. And luckily I didn't get that many returns or refunds, which was really nice. Oh, and by the way, this is also a very quick reminder that if you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button because it really helps a small YouTuber like myself. So yeah, go ahead and click that like button. Then the next platform that we're gonna go to is Skillshare, since it is a very well-known platform. So when it comes to Skillshare, I kind of had a feeling that my course wasn't going to perform very well on this platform. I'm not trying to be like, self-deprecating or anything like that, but I feel like Skillshare is one of those platforms that is very geared towards creative people. Obviously, you can find courses about a lot of different topics, but I feel like a lot of courses on Skillshare are about topics like photography, design, arts and crafts, branding. Again, there are plenty of exceptions, but I just really felt like because of the nature of this platform, most of the instructors there just have really high quality content. It's absolutely beautiful, very professionally done. And as much as I'm proud of creating my own course, realistically, it was my first course, so it wasn't like super high quality. I feel like I was still trying to figure out like how to work the audio, how to work the lighting, all this stuff, and I was kind of in a rush to finish it. All right, we have covered the get to know you questions and the behavioral questions. So I totally understand how, compared to a lot of the content on Skillshare, my course wasn't standing out that much, and I'm fine with that. We'll live and we'll learn. But either way, I still end up making some money on Skillshare. As you can probably see, I earned a total of $65.87, and that was from 37 students. And again, just as a reminder, Skillshare's business model is very different. When on Udemy, you kind of get paid every time somebody purchases your course. Here in Skillshare, you get paid from minutes watched. And as you can see, I have a total of a little over 1,000 minutes watched of my course. And I only have 2 reviews. Again, I wasn't really trying to push for reviews, but both reviews were fairly positive, so that makes me feel a lot better. So the last platform that I wanted to show you is SkillSuccess, which I was very pleasantly surprised by because I had personally never heard of this platform before until they actually directly reached out to me and asked me to post my course on their platform. Again, it's a very different business model from Udemy. I don't know if it's exactly the same as Skillshare, but I can tell you that in order to have access to the courses, users do have to pay a monthly membership fee, so they don't pay per course. But this is how much I ended up making from this platform. As you can see, in 2021, I made about $42.85, and then in 2022, revenue, I ended up making $59.10, and I'm filming this in August right now, so I still have about 4 months left of the year. And here's how much I ended up making from each one of these platforms, and my grand total is $455.35. And I think this is a good example of how you can get the most out of one course. You should definitely sell it on multiple platforms, obviously, unless you are selling to your own audience and your own email list, but this will be for a different video.
And so this is something that I mentioned in one of my previous videos. Obviously, if you have been doing a lot of research on YouTube and seen some of the other people's earning reports, I mean, it's clear that I did make as much money as a lot of other instructors. But again, I just wanted to show this example to all of you who are just starting out, you know, when you don't have an audience, when you are still trying to figure out how to work video, audio, and a lot of those things. It does take some time before you create a course that actually does really well. So that's kind of, you know, what I believe in. And this is the mindset that I'm taking before I make my next course, which I'm sure is going to be higher quality and is going to do better. So I just want to let you know, if you are still having trouble with, you know, selling your course or earning the revenue that you were hoping to earn, I'm just letting you know it takes time, and it's okay if it doesn't go well the first time. So just keep your heads up and continue working on your courses. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I include my handle usually in one of the corners. It's Christina_NGM, and Instagram is more of like my personal account. I don't do much of like, you know, personal finance or productivity content there. I more so like to show people what having multiple streams of income allows me to do with my life. So if you really want to get to know me on the personal level, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. And that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I know it was a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you are making a course about. I would love to support you on this journey. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!